Your app can't locate the Python310 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. This DLL file is the primary runtime library for Python 3.10. It facilitates the execution of Python code on Windows, providing the core logic and standard libraries necessary for applications developed with version 3.10. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. The Python 310 DLL is required for Python interpreter to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Python interpreter will repair missing or broken application files. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Python 310 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Remember that the Python 310 DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If the Python 310 is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped your Python interpreter workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.